update the system. And as well as that, I can add as many as chicken wings as I want. Once I finish, click the save button. Once again, you get your saver screen and then click save. To keep the consistent going, I've kept the macros at the bottom side of the screen and an icon representing what it does, like back, forward, refresh, save, clear, and etc. So let's just get out of that menu. Okay, so we've got the staff details, the consumers, and the orders. Okay, staff details is pretty much the same. I select something here from a database, a picture will come up here, and a description about the staff members. So this is a database showing how much staff members he has. At the moment, I've left it as free, but if he wants to add a new employee, let's just upload an image from him, ID number, first name, last name, contact number, etc. You add it and it will come up in your database. Now let's just say he's got over 100 employees in his business and he wants to search for one specifically. We use a magnifying glass to search someone, and I'm going with another example by the name of Cameron. If I was to search Cameron, I just said the first 3 letters and I left it in red, all the similarities appear up, like Camro, Ral, and Cairo, and you know, I would just have to select which staff I'm looking for. I select, and once again his picture will come up here and his information will come up here. And if I'm really interested about this information, once again I print it, select which printer, what location to go to, and the number of copies. Okay, so so now I've shown how to add and search and save. Okay, so let's go back to the main menu. And once again, to keep the simplicity going, this interface is pretty much the same when it comes to consumers. So we've got the shop name, manager's name, contact number, and something new, credits. Credits is basically the discounts, the higher number of credits, the higher number of discounts. So once I select chili sauce here, the information is a map screen telling me where it is in the map and exactly information about it. It's in what this postcode here and the owner here. So let's just say I've got a new consumer to the business. Once again, I add. I can search it where it is in the map, and it will find me similarities. Like I've searched Dudley Street. There's similarities like Dudley, and Dudley, and it will come a lot of similarities. And I just select which one I want. Which example A, which is here. I just double tap A, and A will come up here, and his location number, his contact number, and I add it. And it will come in the database here. And once again, if I have a database with over 100 consumers, I could just search, for example, like Spice Hut. I want to search for Spice Hut. If I write the word spice, anything that has spice on it will appear. And I select that, and yeah, it will come up here. Once again, print these functions in here. As you can see, the interfaces here is pretty much simple. I've got all the methods at the bottom. Okay, so let's get out of that. Orders. Okay, this is probably what the consumer is probably going to be using the most, as he needs to place orders to consumers, receive orders, etc. So let's go into orders. An alert will come up saying that you've not added anything to your list. Please add items to your list. As you can see, it's also consistent with a picture on the right and information here. And another information says please item from the stock menu. So since we've got nothing in the stock menu, let's just keep order. Shows which category you want to order. Let's order some chickens. So once again, it shows how much stock I've had. Let's add that order. So once I've selected that, to drinks, I've got this amount of drinks. I want to add from that. I want to add, let's just say, well, I put 50 here, but I want to put 10. I could just change it to 10, and yeah, 10 drinks I've added into the list. Once again, information here and the picture here. Now I've added a chicken and I've added drinks in my order list. I can go back to my order list and it showed me the chickens I've ordered, the quantity, the cans I've ordered, and it shows you how much it is. And if I want to quit, I can quit, but let's just say something's come up and I want to update this order list another time. I could just save the order list and come back to it. But let's just say I'm happy with those items. I can confirm and pay. Information will come up here. Save, print, email, give pay, and then you got your cardholder's name, card type. I give confirm. Got the details reference number here, and yeah, I've just paid for an item, and the requests have been gone. I can even email the invoice back to me. Another thing I put is contact us, where you can ask us questions about how we use the system, how we made the system, and how it works. Numbers right here. Go back to my menu, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the admin use, and let's log out. Now staff. If I'm a staff user, let's connect the password and log in. Okay, so this is pretty much the main menu for the staff, where this is the database where we drag items and we place it into this box here, and whatever we're ordering, it will come up as here in the total order box. At the moment there's nothing going on, and you get a message at the right hand side prompting you to add item from the order category, which is here, and you can add items here and to confirm that. But let's see if I also here I can add customer details by adding it here, or manually just looking for a customer box, the address line, minimize that. Or if I'm looking for my consumers, again from the map, I just tap the word spice and I just select each one that I want. But traditionally we can do the old-fashioned way. We could just say I want to order some chickens. Okay, list of chickens are here. Once again, I want the supreme chicken, so I double click on the second, double click on the third, and it will come up in this screen here, and it shows how much of order that I've spent and the quantity that I have. And pretty much this is what you saw in the main menu in the admin screen, where you had the little pictures about the chicken, beef, and drinks, onions and stuff. So let's just say I want to add drinks to the order, so I give drinks. Okay, I've got a drink here. Oh, I want to add the Red Bull to that order. Double click, the GR103 comes here. That updates my total price, so I can minimize that. And once again, if something has come up and I want to come back to this order list later on, find another problem, click save the file, and come back to another time. Or I'm happy to confirm and pay the order. I give confirm, and it shows you your receipt, well, your electronic receipt before you get your invoice numbers. It's saying that okay, this is how much it cost, that's the tax that you can pay. I'm going to try to pay by card. And you saw in the admin that you saw one red person for the admin, so well, this is for the blue to note that it's a staff login. You got your macros at the end, you can email it, etc. Well, I'm happy to pay this off. I give pay, change my card details, security codes, just got the sign to show that it's verified Visa, MasterCard, and I confirm that. Now that I've confirmed, it's turned into an invoice, and I've got my reference number, my date, and you just get a message saying thank you for using the Supreme Supply e-commerce system. And now the other function I put is print. The reason why is because if this is staff using ordering system, I think the manager will want to know where his money has been spent. So I've put an email link here where they can email the manager, saying to manager delivery order, saying that I've made a following order today, this is the invoice, I've sent you the invoice, and they can send the invoice to the manager, and the manager can see what happened today, and etc. And this comes back to the main screen. So that's pretty much it of the system. I've showed you how to engineer logins and staff logins. This still is a prototype, so we're still looking for further improvements, and thank you very much for watching.